Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some absolutely mouth-watering hot honey fried chicken right in your own kitchen. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. It's crispy, spicy, and sweet all at once. First things first, let's talk ingredients. For the chicken, you'll need buttermilk, an egg, hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot is perfect. Kosher salt, black pepper, assorted bone-in, skin-on chicken pieces, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and a few spices like garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper. And for that amazing hot honey sauce, grab some unsalted butter, honey, more hot sauce, and crushed red pepper flakes. Start by heating about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a Dutch oven or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat. While the oil is heating up, whisk together the buttermilk, egg, hot sauce, a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper in a large bowl. Nestle those chicken pieces in the marinade and let them soak up all that goodness. Next, in a shallow bowl, mix together the flour, cornstarch, and all your spices. Dredge each piece of chicken in the flour mixture, making sure to pack it into all the crevices. Shake off any excess and get ready to fry. Once the oil hits 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, fry the chicken in batches. Turn the pieces often for about 8 minutes until they're deep golden brown and cooked through. Drain them on a wire rack to keep them crispy. While the chicken's frying, let's make the hot honey sauce. Melt the butter in a saucepan over medium heat, then whisk in the honey, hot sauce, and red pepper flakes. It's simple, and it smells incredible. Now coat that fried chicken in your hot honey sauce. You can dip, baste, or toss, whatever floats your boat. Serve it up with a side salad, French fries, or some buttermilk biscuits, and there you have it. Delicious hot honey fried chicken that's crispy, spicy, and sweet. Give this recipe a try, and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.